Hi friends, welcome to our channel Lifestyle with Shenica. Today we are going to learn how to make Kesar Lassi. Let's see what are the ingredients we require to make our lassi. A pinch of saffron which is soaked in 4 tablespoons of warm milk. 10 almonds which is chopped into slices. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 400 ml of thick curd. These are the ingredients we require to make our lassi. Now let's see how to prepare this. At first, take a mixie jar and add the 400 ml of curd in it. Along with the curd, add the sliced almond, soaked saffron along with the milk and the 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now blend it for around 30 seconds. Our super yummy Kesar Lassi is ready. Now let's serve this. Serve this chilled by using ice cube or either by refrigerating. Also garnish this with a few almond slices. Our tasty and yummy Kesar Lassi is ready. Try this at your home and tell me your feedback in the comment section. Also share this video with your friends. Let them also come to know how to make Kesar Lassi. If you want to see this video in Tamil, I have given the link in description box. You can go and view it in our Tamil channel. Also check our channel for more interesting recipes. If you like the videos in our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay friends, see you all soon with a new recipe. And this is Shenica signing off here. Stay tuned. Bye friends.